If you're looking to generate income online, there's a method involving ChatGPT that's currently earning individuals over $7,500 per week through affiliate marketing. Allow me to walk you through the steps. First and foremost, let's talk about Threads. Threads is a dynamic platform developed through the collaboration of Instagram and Meta. This platform has rapidly emerged as a powerhouse, attracting millions of monthly visitors. It provides a unique space for creators to share content and engage with a diverse audience. Now on to the next step, signing up for ChatGPT. ChatGPT harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to assist users in generating high-quality content effortlessly. Once you've registered, you'll unlock a plethora of possibilities for content creation. Now, here's where the magic happens. Picture this: successful YouTube channels that feature top products, racking up millions of views. These channels curate content showcasing various products available on Amazon, accompanied by affiliate links in the description. However, you won't be diving into the world of video production. Instead, you'll leverage Threads to tap into its vast audience base. Here's the strategy in action. Choose a product category that resonates with your interests and target audience. Let's take kitchen gadgets, for example. Using ChatGPT, craft a compelling list titled Top 10 Kitchen Gadgets You Need to Know About. This list will serve as the foundation for your content. Now, let's delve into the anatomy of a successful Twitter thread. Each tweet should provide a comprehensive review and comparison of the featured products. Utilize a data-driven approach to highlight why each product stands out as a top choice. By presenting valuable insights, you'll capture the attention of your audience and establish credibility as an authority in your niche. Returning to Threads, it's time to initiate a thread and share your curated content. Incorporate relevant hashtags to increase visibility and reach. As you progress through the thread, add images of each product to enhance engagement. Simply copy the product name, locate it on Amazon, and download an image or video to accompany your description. One crucial aspect to bear in mind is the utilization of your affiliate links. These links serve as your gateway to earning commissions on product sales. Additionally, maintaining consistency within your chosen niche is paramount. Whether you're exploring kitchen gadgets or camping gear, staying true to your niche will cultivate a dedicated following and bolster your credibility as a content creator. For those seeking to amplify their earnings, consider exploring Amazon affiliate stores. These pre-built stores come equipped with your affiliate links, enabling you to kickstart your sales journey immediately. Should you have any inquiries or require assistance, let me know in the comments. I trust you found this explanation insightful. Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing for future updates and valuable insights. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.